everyone. Once again, I am Sally Amante III, and today I will discuss the requirements to comply by a ship under MARPOL Annex 5 for the prevention of pollution of garbage from ships. In the Regulation 3 of MARPOL Annex 5, it is stated that the discharge of all garbage into the sea are strictly prohibited. However, some are allowed based on their categorizations. So these are the categorizations of waste: plastics, food waste, domestic waste, cooking oil, incinerator ashes, operating waste, cleaning agents, animal carcasses, fishing gears, electronic waste, and cargo residues. Now, for the place of discharge, it is also categorized. Number 1, outside special area. Number 2, inside special area. This includes the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, Gulf area, North Sea, Antarctic Sea, and the Caribbean region. And the last category are the offshore platforms located more than 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land. For plastics, they are not allowed to be discharged. Food waste. Now, there are two types of food waste. Food waste that is comminuted and grounded. This type of food waste are allowed to be discharged by a ship as long as it follows the distance required. Outside the special area, it should be more than 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. Inside the special area, it should be more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. It is also allowed to be discharged near offshore platforms. And the second type of food waste, these are food waste that has not been comminuted or grounded and bigger in size than the first type. For the discharge, outside the special area, it should be more than 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land and is not allowed to be discharged inside the special area or near offshore platforms. Domestic waste, cooking oil, incinerator ashes, and operational waste are not allowed to be discharged. Cleaning agents, divided into two categories. Cleaning agents in cargo-hold wash water are allowed to be discharged outside the special area and 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land. And cleaning agents in deck or external surfaces wash water allowed to be discharged outside and inside the special area with no required distance from the nearest land. Both cleaning agents cannot be discharged near offshore platforms, considering that the ships are en route or currently in a voyage. Animal carcasses are only allowed to be discharged outside the special area and as far as possible from the nearest land. Fishing gear and electronic waste are not allowed to be discharged. Cargo residues with or without wash waters are allowed to be discharged 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land as long as it is not harmful to the marine environment. Those are for the discharge of garbage. Although those are strictly regulated, discharge for saving a ship, lives, or accidental discharge due to damage from ships or its equipments are exempted. Regulation 10. Proper placarding, garbage management plan, and garbage record book. Ship must have a proper placarding of garbage. This is to avoid mixing of garbage because it may result in damaging the marine ecosystem. For example, mixing of plastic and food waste may cause a hindrance to the movements of marine animals because plastics are not dissolvable by water. Garbage management plan. This involves proper categorization of garbage, garbage storage, garbage treatment and disposal, garbage record keeping, as well as the crew training and awareness when encountering emergency related to garbage. Ship. Garbage record book. Ship must have a proper record of garbage discharges and disposal. Accidental discharge should also be recorded in the garbage record book. The record must contain these following: date and time of garbage operations, the categorization of the garbage, the amount of garbage, the location of the disposal, and the signature of the officer in charge. Tampering record or non-compliance to this requirement may result in liabilities. Garbage record book must be retained in a ship for a minimum of 2 years after the last entry. And that is all for the requirements that needs to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 5.